Hey guys, wonder if you guys still remember about a video on our yield delegation vault 4 months ago? You can go watch it here at the corner of the screen. Long story short, we're looking to launch a new product called Bremia, which is built on top of that yield delegation vault. So recently, Flying Tulip, a project by Andre Cronje, were conducting an ICO reaching $1 billion, in which all of the funds raised would be deposited in low-risk DeFi protocol like Aave to earn yield. Then a project would use just the yield as operating capital. Investor can withdraw their principal investment at any time. A win-win relationship for the parties involved. The project gets the funding to operate. The investor have the capital protected, only risking a modest amount in potential yield. And because the yield takes time to accumulate, that means investor can follow the project progress and make decisions according to milestones. So if the project turn out to be failing, the investor could still exit easily. This is a great use of existing DeFi primitives. For that, our team Bifrost would like to apply the concept upon our liquid staking tokens, VETH and VDOT, in which project can raise fundings by asking the public to deposit LST into the yield delegation vault and spend the yield only. I think this is another win-win relationship. The project gets funding, especially for public good, open source projects, and the investor still have exposure to the underlying assets, contribute to the advancement of tech in this industry, or maybe get some project tokens. Totally optional if the project wants to do it. We will build this Bremia project publicly for the community to see and follow. More videos will come out on the channel about the progress. So make sure to subscribe to the channel below. Anyways, that's it for the videos. See you guys next time. Peace.